Through this untainted morning that I have finally reached to is entangled by the past I knew. Instead of moving on towards my own future, I was stuck in my own remorseful past. The painful memories ring endlessly inside of my mind, have no intentions of forgiving me. Walking around blindly, I think it's time for my own teardrops to fall down my conflicted cheeks. The rain falls, I wonder if it will ever end. It's so cold, straining my body for quite some time. The rain falls on me, but I wonder could it maybe embrace me tightly, hide all my pain. The rain falls, I wonder if it knows how to stop, but today it falls without resolution. You held out your hand, holding an umbrella over my head. You nestled with me, warming me